Let's make no-bake chocolate eclair cake. In a bowl, add custard powder and half a cup of milk. Mix well until there are no lumps. In a saucepan, add remaining milk and sugar. Add custard paste to boiling milk and cook while stirring until texture is thick. When cooled, cover it with cling film. In another bowl, whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Take your chilled custard and whip it for 30 seconds. Add whipped cream into chilled custard and fold. Set aside. Heat a double boiler. Add chopped chocolate and heavy cream. Stir continuously. Place a layer of biscuits in bottom of dish. Spread half custard mixture on top. Repeat with another layer of biscuits and rest of custard mixture. Pour chocolate ganache and refrigerate overnight.